everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Aishwarya and this is my channel The Beauty Bliss. If you are new to my channel, then let me introduce my channel to you. It is usually a channel in which I create videos related to beauty, makeup, skincare and review videos. So in today's tutorial video, I'm going to share with you this Indian festive soft glam look, and as you can see, this is such a beautiful look. If you want to know more about this look, so please keep on watching this video till end. Now without wasting any time, let's get started with this tutorial. So before I apply any kind of makeup on my face, I'm going to follow a little skincare routine at the beginning, and for that I'm going to start with Biocule BHA AHA Oil Clear Toner. Now as you can see, I'm just dabbing this toner all over my face and neck area. Next I'm going to apply this Pomegranate Fairness Facial Sheet Mask from Mirabelle, and I'm going to apply this and keep it for 20 minutes. There is one thing that I really like to do with the serum of the sheet mask is I apply the leftover serum on my neck and all over my hands. For moisturizer, I'm going to use this Matcha Better Anti-Shine Moisturizer from Quench, and I'm going to apply it all over my skin, that is face and neck area. Now moving ahead to the most essential step, that is applying SPF. If you are going for any festive function or any kind of function in day, SPF is a necessary thing to be done in your skincare routine. So this SPF I'm using is from Lotus, and I would like to highly recommend this SPF for those who have oily skin texture. Now I'm applying this primer from NYB. Now I'm using Superstay 24-hour full coverage foundation from Maybelline, and in this foundation my shade is 312 Golden. I always start applying my foundation in dots all over my face and neck area, and after that I'm using this brush, foundation brush, and I'm going to really blend this foundation in my skin. Now I'm using Insight Pro Concealer Palette, and I'm going to conceal my under eyes with this concealer. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows, and for eyebrow pencil I'm using this eyebrow pencil from MyGlamm. To set my foundation and concealer, I'm going to use this powder from Sugar Cosmetics. The name of the powder is Dream Cover SPF 15 Mattifying Compact, and in this my shade is 15 Cappuccino. For blush, I'm going to use this Earth Rhythm Lip and Cheek Tint, and the shade I'm using is Brandy. As you can see, this tint is giving me such a glowy blush look. I highly recommend this tint. To add glow to my face, I'm going to use this Contour de Force Mini Highlighter in shade 02 Golden Glory from Sugar Cosmetics, and I'm going to apply this highlighter on my high points of my face. For my eye makeup, I'm using this Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette, and I'm selecting this lighter shade and applying it all over my eyelids. Now I'm selecting this darker brown shade from the same palette, and I'm applying it on my crease and outer V of my eyelids. Also, I'm going to apply this brown shade on my lower lash line. Now I'm selecting this black shade from the same palette, and I'm going to apply this color on my outer V of my eyelids, and I'm really going to blend this shade with the previous brown shade. Now I'm selecting this golden shade from the palette and I'm going to apply it on my lids. As this is a shimmer shade, I really like to use my fingers for application of such type of shades. For eyeliner, I'm going to use this Lakme Insta liner. To complete my eye makeup, I'm going to use this Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara from Sheer Cosmetics, and the shade I'm using is 01 Black Beauty. Now to complete my entire makeup look, I'm going to use this lipstick from Inside, and this shade of this lipstick is 03 Divine Wine. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video and this tutorial. So if you do like this video, make sure give it a big thumbs up, share this video, comment on this video and let me know what you think about this look. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So see you next time in another tutorial and video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.